niyo po, hindi niya sinusundan. Ako po sumusunod sa mga gusto niya. Tuloy po tayo na Toronto? Oo, bakit? E tayo mo ako ay ilikan to.
Wala kang bibitan niya ang mga mo. Naglakad na dito ko naman. Ba't di natin nakita to?
Ali tayo! Ay, hindi mo, kita mo muna, Becky. Oo. Bagay ba, tanin yan eh. Bulita na bukas.
Hindi, turo mo sa camera. Yung kasi yung pwede kong tagawin ni Peg, tinutur ko siya dito.
Ikaw na.
Toronto.
Sumama na.
Ayan ang Rainbow Bridge. You know what, guys? That connects this side is Canada, and when you cross that bridge, that goes to this is New York City. Video to.
Ay, dito pala.
Yes. Yan, ang nakikita nyo ngayon is yung
Niagara Falls during the day. Iba siya sa paggabi kasi may ilaw doon. Pag umaga, wala siyang ilaw. So, hindi mo makikita. Obviously. Common sense. Alam mo kasi, nung nag-test ako ng citizenship exam, hindi ito kasama. Hindi ko na-review.
One hour later.
ice cream blizzard from DQ. Tignan mo yung preparation, no? Ay, boy! Review. Ano yan?
O. Henry.
Oh, Henry? How is it?
Masarap. Lasang O. Henry. Hindi mo ako masyadong pinakausap.
Bakit na ko? So here's with this. natin gumagana yung dami. God.
Ay, hindi kita. 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 Now gonna enter the Hogwarts.
Hogwarts.
I try. Dana. May suray Emma. Emma na milyari. Emma Andilo, may suray buwa kay madam.
At kami ay nabuutan ng ulan.
Parang Pilipinas all over again.
In fairness, sa buong stay ko Canada, na ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ulan.
Kasi snow na naranasan
Ito nga
mo.
pala, winter pala.
Correct.
Okay, so guys, Thames. Kasi umuulan, naputan kami ng ulan, and what's happening is, siguro magsuslope muna kami. As you can see the background, ayan yung sky view. So we're gonna try Skywheel. See that? Victoria is life. Paano ka? Paano ka?
Arthritis. Gout.
Siguro naman may heater sa loob, no? Siguro naman may heater. Ayan, sabi naman, actually di na namin dapat to try kasi nga sabi nung sa ticket pagi daw, hindi makikita yung falls. Sayang naman, hindi natin makikita, no? Scan the card. I'll go first.
You guys just gonna head right on in here. Just make sure you watch your step on the land.
Okay.
Ito yung nice way of saying na.
Alabang kaya. Heater.
Yan, kasi prepared ng sabi mo ka ako.
Hours later.
Good morning. Day 2. We're now here in Toronto, and this will be our home for today. So balit 2 days kami sa Niagara, and 1 day kami here in Toronto. So let's go.
Morning, Toronto.
Ulit.
Good morning, Toronto.
Good morning.
Eto na,
Ito
lalarga
ang aming neighborhood.
Durot.
Pero pakita natin yung neighborhood.
It's not bad.
Not bad, yeah. Baguio City. Parang nasa Baguio lang.
Baguio City lang. Correct.
So naghihintay na kami ng Uber.
Lighting.
That would like take 1 minute.
Wow. Ay, pwede rin sa sunod. Edited.
Cut, amo.
Cut.
Pag sinabi mo yung cut, pag din sabihin cut, balo ko na ng orikel ako. Okay, so what do we have for breakfast? This is, anong stuff? All meat?
All meat.
All meat breakfast and Friday breakfast. Anong meron dyan?
I have free sunny side up, fresh cut tomatoes, I have 2 pieces of bacon, 2 pieces of sausage. These are potatoes, Mac O'Brien, and hash brown.
This is our drink.
Strawberry acai refresher with light ice, extra scoop of strawberry and coconut milk.
Isang gamot.
Lasang guayafenacin.
Okay, good afternoon, Toronto. So, andito kami sa
Biggest library in Toronto. Actually, in Canada.
Sino pumunta dito kasi?
NAS. And that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
We'll see. We'll see what's inside. Free ba yan o may bayad? Okay, we'll see. We'll see what's inside.
Where's my one?
First floor. You see that. Second floor.
There's so many books. Let's see what's center floors. They have those study hubs, and then there's the 5th floor.
So dito kami ngayon sa may CN Tower. There you go. What? Oh, syempre.
Believe what I say, so here I am.
Say hi.
Open up, hoping to see what your love means to me. Open up. Ladies and gentlemen,